Good morning, children. So last class we have started the new lesson number 8, periodic classification of element. So in this lesson, so what is mean by modern periodic law, how to classify the groups and periods. Okay, the next, what are the advantages of rows and columns? So everything we have seen in the last class. Okay, and additionally, okay, what are the properties are called periodic properties. What are the properties are called periodic properties. Okay, so first one, atomic radius, ionic radii, ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity. Okay, so these things last class we have discussed. Okay, so today we are going to start the new topic, metallurgy. So what is mean by metal? What is mean by metal? Okay, from 7th standard onwards we are studying about the metal. Okay, so metal means, so immediately we will know, okay, it is a solid substance, will conduct the heat and electricity. Okay, this is the simple definitions about what, not definition. Okay, consider as a small physical properties. Okay, so here about metallurgy. Okay, so in our day-to-day life, okay, we are using different types of metals. Okay, for example, potassium, sodium, iron, calcium. Okay, these metals are present in our human body. Okay, so these metals, okay, involved in what type of activities? Metabolic activities. Okay, suppose the sodium and potassium content, it may decrease in our body, automatically it will start to give, okay, shakiness, giddiness. Okay, so due to the metabolic activities, what will happen? Some of the disease will occur in our body. So metals are plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. Okay, so next one, definitions about metallurgy. So what is the definition? What is the definitions about metallurgy? Okay, so metallurgy is the science of extracting the metals from the ores. Extracting the metals from their ores. Okay, so metallurgy is the science of extracting the metals from their ores and modifying the metals into alloys. And various uses based on their physical and chemical properties and based on the structure of the atoms. Or structural arrangement of the atoms. So how to define the term metallurgy? So metallurgy is the science of extracting the metals from their ores, and we have to modify into alloys. For various uses. Okay, so based on what? Either physical and chemical properties and the structural arrangement of the atoms. Okay, for example, okay, aluminium we are extracting from the bauxite. Okay, Al2O3 dot 2H2O. Okay, this is the ore of aluminium. Okay, aluminium is a example of what? Metal. So this metal extracted from the ore and we have to modify into different alloys. For what purpose? Different uses. So based on what? Either physical or chemical and based on the structure of arrangement of atoms. So that is called metallurgy. So what are the steps involved in the extraction of the metals from ores? So what are the steps are involved in the extraction of the metals from the ores? Okay, so first one, concentration. Concentration of the ore. Or separation of the ore. Separation of the ore. Second one, production of the metal. production of the metal. Third one, refining of metal. Refining of metal. Okay, so how many steps are involved in the extraction of the metal from the ore? Okay, there are 3 steps are involved in the extraction of the metal from the ore. So first one, concentration of the ore, separation of the ore. Okay, so first, so we will take the ore from the earth crust. So first we have to identify the ore. Okay, that is the first step. Second one, production of the metals. Okay, from that ore, okay, so what type of metals we have to extract? Okay, for that metal alone we have to segregate. Okay, third one, refining means purifications. Okay, the ore contains, okay, lot of impurities we have to remove using different types of methods. Okay, that is called refining of method. So in the last stage we will get the 100% or 99.5% of the purity of the metals. Okay, so next one, terms in metallurgy. Terms in metallurgy. So what are the terms involved in the metallurgy? Terms in metallurgy. Okay, first one, minerals. Second one, ore. Third one, mining. Fourth one, matrix. Fifth one, flux. Sixth one, slag. Seventh one, smelting. Okay, so these are all the terms are involved in the metallurgy. So first one, minerals. So minerals is nothing but what? Either a simple compound or complex compound, okay, present in where? Earth crust. Present in where? Earth crust. Okay, so second one, either a single compound or complex compound present in where? Earth crust. So ore is nothing but what? The mineral from which a metal extracted from economically or more. Okay, economically or more. Okay, that is called ore. Okay, so both the minerals and ore contains metals. Okay, just you see this two alone. Okay, both minerals and ore contains metal, but we have to extract the metal from high concentration and economically. Economically means what? Huge amount. From where? Ore. Okay, so all the ores are considered as a minerals, but not all the minerals are considered as a ore. Why? Because, okay, so maximum, okay, metals from extracted from where? Ore, not from minerals. Okay, third one, mining. Third one, mining. So mining is nothing but the process of extracting the ore from the minerals, or the process of extracting the ore from the earth crust. Okay, ore from the earth crust. Okay, that is called mining. Okay, so matrix, that is nothing but, okay, so it is the, okay, so rocky impurities are associated with, okay, one of the substance. Okay, the rocky impurities are associated with the ore. Okay, so next one, flags. Okay, so this is the substance is added to the where? Ore. Okay, to reduce the fusion temperature and impurities. Fusion temperature and impurities. Okay, suppose the ore in what nature? Acidic nature, we have to add the basic substance. Okay, suppose ore is in basic substance, we have to add the acidic nature. Next one, slag. Okay, so slag is nothing but what? Okay, flags plus matrix. We may add, we will get what? Slag. Okay, so these two substances combine to give slag. Okay, so last one, smelting. So melting is nothing but what? The metallic oxide. Okay, so metal is obtained from the metallic oxide in molten state. Molten state. Okay, so these are all the terms are involved in the metallurgy. So first one minerals, second one ore, third one mining, fourth one matrix, fifth one flax, sixth one slag, seventh one smelting. Okay, so next one. So what are the methods are involved in the extraction of the metal from ore? Okay, metal from ore. Okay, so first one, types of separation. Types of separation. Okay, so one is gravity separation. Gravity separation. Okay, second one magnetic separation. Second one magnetic separation. Okay, third one. Okay, third one froth flotation. Froth flotation. Last one chemical method. Last one chemical methods. Okay, there are four types of separation methods are involved in the extraction of the metal from ore. Okay, so first one gravity separation, second one magnetic separation, third one froth flotation, fourth one chemical method. Okay, so first one gravity separation. So gravity separation method based on what? Density. Based on density. Okay, based on density. Okay, the lighter impurities have less density than compared to ore or metal. So based on the density we will use this method. Okay, so which type of ore can be extracted from, which type of metal can be extracted from the ore using which method? Gravity separation method. Example, hematite. Okay, so hematite is the ore of what? Iron. So iron is a metal extracted from hematite. Okay, second one magnetic separation method. Okay, magnetic separation method. Okay, so this method is applicable only metal have what property? Magnetic properties. Okay, then only this method is applicable. Okay, next one froth flotation method. Okay, froth flotation method is nothing but what? It is the simple. Okay, so we have to take a tank method. Okay, we have to put it in the bowl using the some of the techniques. We have to extract the metal from the ore. Okay, so last one chemical method. Okay, so this method is okay highly purity method. Okay, so using the last method we will get the 100% of the purity of the metals. Okay, so the suitable ores, so suitable reagents we have to take. Okay, that reagent should be reacted with the ore to convert it into the liquid. Okay, during that time, okay, we have to remove the impurities. Okay, so total how many separation methods are involved? First one gravity separation, second one magnetic separation, third one froth flotation, last one chemical method. Okay, so next one. Okay, occurrence of ores. Okay, available of ores in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so where the ores are available in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so many districts okay have the ores. Okay, what are the ores? Limestone Coimbatore, gypsum Trichy and Coimbatore districts. Okay, titanium minerals Kanyakumari. Okay, near the sea areas. Okay, chromite Coimbatore and Salem, magnetite Dharmaburi, Erode, Salem, Tiruvannamalai, tungsten Madurai and Dindukkal. Okay, so these are all the places what ores are available. So we have to extract the ores from the earth crust. Next we have to utilize the different types of separation methods. different types of separation method. Then next we have to extract the metal from ore. Metal from ore. Okay, so next class we will see the physical and chemical properties of metals. Okay, so today we have discussed up to what define the term metallurgy. Next, what are the steps are involved in the extraction of the metal from ore or ore from the earth crust. Next, terms are involved. Okay, how many terms are involved in the metallurgy? Next, types of separation. The last one, availability of ores in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so thank you children. Remaining headings we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.